In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Hostinger to make $400 a day with Amazon Associates, specifically for beginners. This is an exciting opportunity to combine web hosting with the Amazon Associates program to create a stream of income. To get started on this journey, head over to the Amazon Associates website. This is where you'll be setting up your affiliate account. If you already have an account, simply click on Sign In and enter your credentials. If you're new, you'll want to create an account by selecting the option to create one. You'll need to fill out your information attentively, ensuring all details are correct from the very beginning, especially as this will impact your future earnings. Once you have completed the initial profile setup, you'll then be directed to fill out more specific information to create your account, including the main information about your profile and your website information. This part is crucial as it forms the backbone of your affiliate marketing endeavors. Make sure your website information is up to date and clearly represents the content you'll be posting. After entering your website details, you will be prompted to fill out additional sections to complete the setup. After successful registration, you will be provided with a unique ID. This ID becomes your identifier for using the Amazon Associates program effectively. Next, let's set up your WordPress integration. Open WordPress and navigate to the Amazon affiliate section. Before you proceed, go back to the Amazon site and click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Under the drop-down menu, click on Tools, followed by Manage Your Tracking ID. Here, you can copy your tracking ID, which is essential for monitoring the traffic and sales generated through your links. Back in WordPress with Hostinger, paste your tracking ID to ensure your site is correctly linked to your Amazon account. It is crucial you get this part right to track earnings and link your content to your sales effectively. Next, ensure your API settings are correctly filled out. This allows you to efficiently interact and retrieve data from the Amazon database. Don't forget to request access to the Product Advertising API, which is necessary for pulling detailed product info directly from Amazon. Remember to save all your settings to confirm changes are applied. Now, explore the AI Content Creator section in WordPress. This tool will allow you to create engaging content quickly, which you can incorporate with your affiliate links to entice your audience and drive sales. Select Create Content and begin crafting pieces that highlight products, utilizing enticing descriptions and personal reviews where possible. Through this method, leveraging Hostinger and Amazon Associates together effectively, you can start generating earnings, potentially earning up to $400 daily. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and I wish you the best of success in your affiliate marketing endeavors.